Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Hackzall, cordless one-handed recip saw, a new breed of reciprocating saw designed to be operated with one hand and cut a wide range of material. From PVC, EMT, and steel rod to sheet metal, drywall, plywood, and OSB. The M18 Hackzall packs all the power and runtime to handle the toughest cutting job, yet it's small enough to maneuver in tight, confined spaces. This tool offers superior balance and control over a standard reciprocating saw. This results in faster, easier, more accurate one-handed cuts. This compact recip saw features the lowest vibration in the industry, while delivering up to 330 cuts of PVC on a single charge. The quick lock blade clamp guarantees fast, efficient blade changes. No other cordless saw delivers as much power and versatility for professional one-handed applications. The Milwaukee M18 Hackzall, cordless one-handed recip saw, powered by lithium ion, protected by DPM.